Hello friends, welcome to Techia. In this session, we'll see software development lifecycle models. Let's begin. The software development models are those several processes or approaches which are being selected for the development of project based on the project's objectives. To accomplish various purposes, we have many development lifecycle models, and these models identify the multiple phases of the process. Picking up the correct model for developing the software application is very important because it will explain the what, where and when of our plant testing. So there is lots of models. We'll see about one by one. But in this session we'll see only overview of each and every models, and in next session we'll see about each models in depth. First one is waterfall model, second spiral model, third prototype model, fourth verification and validation model, fifth one is hybrid model. These are the software development model. Except this, there is lots of model also available like agile, scrum model, etc. So let's see the overview of each and every model. First one is waterfall model. It is the first sequential linear model because the output of the one stage is the input of the next stage. It is simple and easy to understand, which is used for a small project. The various phases of the waterfall model are as follows. Number 4, requirement analysis, feasibility study, design, coding, testing, installation. So this is overview of waterfall model. And maintenance. This is used for small projects only. Next one is spiral model. It is the best suits model for a medium level project. It is also called the cyclic and iteration model. Whenever the modules are dependent on each other, we go for this model. And here we developed application model wise and then hand it over the customer. The different stages of the spiral model are as follows: requirement collection, design, coding, testing. This is all about this model, spiral model. Then what is prototype model? From the time when customer rejection was more in the early model, we go for this model as customer rejection is less. And also it allows us to prepare a sample in the early stage of the process, which we can show to the client and get their approval and start working on the original project. This model refers to the action of creating the prototype of the application. Next one is verification and validation model. This is also called V model. It is an extended version of the waterfall model. It will implement in two phases, wherein the first phase we will perform the verification process, and when the application is ready we will perform the validation process. In this model the implementation happens in the V shape, which means that the verification process done under downward flow and the validation process complete in the upward flow. So this is all about verification and validation process model. Next one is hybrid model. The hybrid model is used when we need to acquire the properties of two models in a single model. This model is suitable for small, medium and large projects because it is easy to apply and understand. The combination of the two models could be as follows: V and prototype model, spiral and prototype model. Next one is agile scrum methodology. From today's scenario, we'll use agile scrum methodology too much. This is the famous methodology nowadays. So what is agile scrum methodology? Is one of the popular agile software development methods. There are some other agile software development methods, but the popular one which is using widely is agile scrum methodology. The Agile Scrum methodology is a combination of both incremental and iterative model for managing product development. This is only the overview of Agile Scrum methodology. So these all are the software development life cycle models. There is also other models are available like rapid application development model, rational unified model, hybrid model, etc. So for each model, we'll learn in depth in my coming sessions. If you have any query related to software development lifecycle model, so just comment me. Thank you.